morning. Today is Thursday, August 3rd, 2023. We're here at Drillington Creek Pier 3, and this is the Beige Tritoon. We got a few concerns for them. I'll point them out. One of them is definitely the paint. It needs to be repainted. There are a lot of bare areas that had a lot of growth on them. And the other is a bumper at the tip of the platform at the stern. Looks like it hit a pile and it is now loose and possibly could fall off. So we're going to go ahead and do a video of this, and then I'll show you that. Thank you for being ES Duck.